Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you've been around a while, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the Harbor Freight greenhouse, the 10 by 12, that's what we have, and the 5 things that we wish we knew before we started building it. And we're going to do that right now. Number 1, if you live in an area that gets accumulating snow, building an interior structure that is sturdy is non-negotiable. Absolutely, it's a non-negotiable point. Factor it into your budget. Accumulating snow can be heavy, and it might not be the first snow that gets you, or even the second, but it will get you eventually. So just be ahead of it, prepare for it, build that structure. There's tons of videos on YouTube that will show you how other people did it. And in the description box, there'll be links to how we did it. Number 2, if you plan on using your greenhouse in the summer months, plan on exhaust fans. Build that cost into your budget. It gets so hot in the greenhouse. By 2 o'clock, it could easily be over 200 degrees. By 2 o'clock, it can easily be over 100 degrees. 200 would just be way too hot. But seriously, it can easily get over 100 degrees. You won't want to work out there if it's over 100 degrees. There'll be no point. Your plants will just be dead. So plan on those exhaust fans. Item number 3, get that warranty. They're going to offer you one. My salesperson actually pushed us to get it, which I'm so thankful that she did. It's a no-hassle warranty. Ours, I believe, was for 2 years. I've heard other people say that they offer a 3-year. Had I known that, I would have, particularly with what I know now, I definitely would have gotten the 3-year. Buy it for as long as they'll give it to you. You basically just have to bring one broken piece in and they'll replace the whole thing. That's worth it. We had to collect on ours within the first 6 months. So, we hadn't even really gotten a first season out of it before we had a catastrophe. So I would definitely plan on that little extra bit of money to get that warranty. Item number 2, the sun factor is, it's a greenhouse. We want the sun, right? Right. But it's almost like putting something. Do you remember when you were a kid and you burned ants with a magnifying glass? Maybe you did that, maybe you didn't. Regardless, we actually used to burn our names into wood with magnifying glass. That's what it's like. It's intensely hot. It'll burn all your stuff right up. So plan while you're building, in your pre-building phase, plan on your shade cloth. You can get it at Harbor Freight too when you pick up your greenhouse, but plan some system to hang it and be able to manage it easily because you're going to need it. And lastly, number 5, factor in electricity for the reasons that I've mentioned before already. It's very hot, and it's very cold. So you're going to cool in the summer, heat in the winter. You're going to need electricity to do that. And then just in a future video, I'll talk about how we heat it. I'll link below to that. But yeah, plan on your electricity. So now that we're at the end of the 5 things we wish we knew, would we buy it again? Well, yeah. It's fine as long as you know what you're getting into and what additional support it's going to need. So it's not like you have to build a complete greenhouse within a greenhouse, but you do have to build a supporting structure. And I don't care what kind of foundation you put in. I don't. You're going to need something if you live in a climate which experiences a lot of snow, which we do. So for that reason, I'll show you in a future video how we managed it. All right, well, that's it for now. Have a great day. I hope the sun is shining wherever you live. It's shining here, and it looks like a long-lost friend. It won't be long now, guys. I think there's 6 Mondays until spring. All right. Bye-bye. Bye for now.